Okay. And we celebrate the birthday in this motherfucker tonight. Make some noise. Make some noise for my nigga Buck Flex. Like I own that bitch. Shawty dancing like she on me. I'm feeling lucky tonight when we